To add the calendar up next events widget to standby mode on the iPhone 16 series. Now first, make sure that your phone is already in standby mode. You can plug the phone into a charger and have your phone in landscape mode. And on the lock screen, it will display the standby widget. Now in here, there are three different screens. You got the clock screen, you have the photo screen, and the widget screen. So you can swipe left or right to switch between the different screen type. And from here, in the widget screen, you have the left widget and the right widget. So you can make change to the left or to the right. In this case, we're going to change the left screen widget. So touch and hold on that. And from here, to remove a widget, you can tap on the remove button, then tap on remove, and that will allow you to remove the calendar up next widget. To add in a new widget, you tap on the add button here, tap on add, and then we go down on the left hand side panel, tap on calendar, then on the right hand panel, tap on add widget. So swipe across and find up next, then tap on add widget, and then tap on done. And here we have now added the calendar up next events widget, and we have added to the standby mode. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.